Well, hey there, Alan from Ural Junkie. How's it going? Well, it's official. Urals are now going to be made in Kazakhstan. Yeah, that's right, Kazakhstan. A few days ago, David Wayne over at Ural headquarters in Seattle, he published a short video with Ilya. Ilya is the general manager of the factory in Irbit, and Ilya said that they were going to break up the factory into two pieces. One piece would be up in Irbit. They would be making frames and parts, and the other part of the factory, final assembly, would be made down in Kazakhstan. Now, you might ask yourself, why Kazakhstan? And that's really a tough one to figure out. So Kazakhstan, it's a really, really, really big country, and it has very, very, very few people in it. And the word Kazakhstan comes from Kazakh, meaning the wandering people, Stan, meaning the land of, so it is the land of wandering people. So, it's really a tough one to figure out. I mean, there's so many other countries that would fit the bill. You have Croatia, Czech Republic, Poland, Romania, lots of Eastern countries that would fit the bill really well. And then it dawned on me, man, those are all NATO countries. So, got me thinking, why? And the only thing that I can think of, and this is pure 100% speculation, is that Ural went to the government and said, man, we got to move our factory out of here. It's shut down. We can't get parts in. We can't get parts out. And we can't sell bikes. So we got to move our factory. And the government comes back and says, okay, we'll let you move part of your factory, but you can't move it to a NATO country or a NATO-friendly country. In fact, we'll let you move your factory if you move it to Kazakhstan. Well, Ural says, okay, I guess we have no choice. We'll move it to Kazakhstan. So, in the future, Urals will come, nice statement, proudly made in Kazakhstan. Now, for you guys that own Urals, you have a classic motorcycle that is now even more classic because it is made in Irbit, the Ural Mountains, Russia, where it's been made for 80 years. New Urals, again, will come with made in Kazakhstan. To Ural itself, I know you're a small company. You don't have billions in reserves just sitting around, and your hand is being forced. So I'll say, hang in there, do whatever you can to survive. I hope that in the future you will be able to strategically plan where you want to put your factory, and you will be allowed to do that. War sucks. And on that note, I'll see you next time.